Hey everyone, I'm going to show you how you can install Disney Hotstar on your TCL Android TV. So if you want to install Disney Hotstar, you can simply go to the apps on the top of the screen and you can open Google Play Store. And you can search here for Disney Hotstar, but on my Google Play Store, the Disney Hotstar is not available. So if I search on my Google Play Store, I'm not going to find Disney Hotstar. So as you can see, the Disney Hotstar is not available on my Google Play Store. So I will have another method that if Disney Hotstar is not available in your Google Play Store as well, you can follow this method. So you can install the application which is called Android TV. So I have installed the Android TV through my browser. You can simply write Android APK and it will easily download. It is easily downloadable through your browser and your TCL Smart TV. After that, you can search for Disney Hotstar here. So after that, you can see the Disney Hotstar is available in this app store. You can simply click on it and install through here. And once it's downloaded, you can install it. So now I can go to my home screen, and as you can see, the Disney Hotstar application is now being installed. So I hope it was helpful. Thank you so much for watching.